Hello friends, there are tons of graphic design resources available over the internet that can help you to be even more creative. Design resources like stock images, vectors, patterns, or mockups, and a lot of other helpful resources. No matter what your project, you should always have these resources handy with you. So, I will be sharing only one website that covers all the required resources for you. Yes, that's correct. Only one website. So here is this site called bluevertigo.com.ar. So you can just bookmark this site for your future reference. And believe me, this is a very helpful site for your design resources. You will find over here a lot of helpful design resources which will help in your project, no matter if you're a graphic designer, UI designer, UX designer, or a YouTuber. Okay. So if you see all the listed free stock photos, so these are the best sites you can have for your free stock photos. And believe me, these are very good sites. Depending on your needs, you will find the required images. So free to use. So if you see Pexels, Visual Hunt, Pixabay, you just need to click on any one of the site and voila, you have that site open in the next tab and you can just browse depending on your images, what you require. You require videos, you require free videos or free images, everything you need, you have that. Similarly, we have this plethora of list which you can see. So these are the free one. You can also have the free stock textures, stock photo textures over here. You can see the list. The similar way, you need to just hover on the link of that website and you will be redirected to that particular website. So these are the premium stock photos. So some of them are free, some of them are paid, but these are the best one depending on your needs, depending on your campaign, what you are running through. So based on your needs, you'll find all the required resources. So these are the list of the websites which will help you to accomplish your goal in terms of the design resources. Similarly, if you have this best stock videos or footage that you would like to have as a YouTuber or as a gamer, so best sites you can have from over here. You can see the free one, and this is a list of the premium sites. It's on your choice. What image do you need? If you need more option, then you need to go through the premium one. If you're looking for free, limited for personal use, go with this. Strongly recommended with the free sites. And believe me, you'll find a lot of free videos over there, which will be very helpful for a campaign. And here are some vector images, very useful. And here are some vector website resources you can see over here, which is very useful for the UI designers, UX designers, even for the YouTubers. You can just explore each one by one. And believe me, it's very useful. So even for the icons, if you see over here, free icons, paid icons, SVG, PNG format, name it, you have it. This is one of my favorite, like mockups. Being a UX designer, UI designer, you should have this mockup. Having this as a mockup, you can have your content or images once you download this and present it to client for prototype purpose. And then we have the free fonts. One of the famous is DaFont and others like Google Fonts, Font Squirrel. And you also have the logo, vector logos, and some inspirations, the blogs kind of website you can refer to. And for Photoshop lovers, you have Photoshop brushes, free brushes that you can have and you can incorporate in your design. And even 3D models you have. At the end, you also have the music files for YouTube or creating a games or creating a story on the YouTube. You have these music files with you. So just explore this and incorporate in your videos. Colors, very useful for the UI designers, especially from graphic designers background, UI designers, very helpful tool for them. And the last is the patterns, very useful for the UI UX designers. I hope you guys have found this site a very useful one. Otherwise, you need to explore or bookmark each individual site in your browser rather than having only one site bookmark in your browser and just explore the categories and just go to that particular website and download the required design resources. So I hope guys you have liked this video and this is very useful tool to be bookmarked at your place and it will be helpful for your future use. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and if you have any comments please share your comments below.